Hi, welcome back to Zero Markets. In this video, we will look at the different subscription strategies and how to activate a subscription in copy trading. Step 1. Open the copy trading portal on your web browser either by inserting the link provided by our support team or by clicking on Go to Copy Trading Portal on the copy trading page within our client portal. Step 2. Choose your server within the portal from the login page. Enter your username and password and click Login. Remember that your credentials should be the same as your MetaTrader account. Step 3. Navigate to the New Subscription section. Select your trading account. Choose the provider name and offer. Click on Create to generate a new subscription to a provider. To set up your subscription strategy, click Edit and choose the desired volume scaling strategy from the drop-down list, either Autoscale, Multiply, or Fixed. Autoscale allows scaling based on the comparison of sizes between the provider and the follower accounts, with the ability to set ratio multipliers. Multiply allows you to set a multiplier to adjust the volume copied from the provider. Fixed allows setting a specific volume for copy trades. Once you decide on the volume scaling strategy, set your preferred parameters and click Save Changes. Step 4. Click on the Actions button and choose Activate. An activation window will pop up. Here, you will have the option to either copy the provider's current position or ignore it. Upon selection, simply click Activate to confirm the subscription. With that, you are now ready to set and activate your own subscription strategy as a copier with Zero Markets. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.